Hey there everyone, back again with another video. In this video we're gonna solve a question from LeetCode, that is the search insert position. Okay, so what this question says, that this question generally says that you will given a array. Okay, you will be given a array of and a number. Okay, and you just have to find which is the position of this number. Okay, there is two. So firstly, if the target is present in the array, just give me the output of the index. Okay, and if it is not present, then just give me the index point of the array. Okay, so what will be the, what you can say, logic behind this? So firstly, let's take about the example one. Okay, let me just increase some of this size. Okay, let's say that we are given a array 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, and one more information, that is the array is shorted. Okay, so firstly we have to find 5. So we know that we will just iterate in the array, and we will just check whether the element is present in the array or not. Okay, if at any of the point we find the target, okay, we will just say that yes, my element is present. Okay, and if it is not present, then if it is not at that point, then we will just find the index. Okay, so what according to me will be the question solution for this? Okay, I will just show you a method, but you have to optimize this thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you approximately to the answer. My answer will definitely come out sorry. Okay, so what I will do, okay, let's first let me directly start coding in the editor. Okay, or we can just do it here also. Okay, what we will do, let's say that we are given a num is an array. Let's say that we have an array of 1 3 5 6 1 comma 3 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, and let's say that we have a target is 2. So we have to find this element. Okay, so firstly what we will do, we will just say that for, we will just iterate in the array. Okay, dot length, okay, and then I plus plus. And just after that, what we will do, we will just check if element is present at index I or not. If nums at index I double equal to target, okay, target, then what we will do, we will just say that yes, element is present. Okay, we will just say that console dot log element present at then I. Okay, we will just say that element is present, and we'll just break it out. Okay, so we got our answer. Okay, or and being we just return, we have to return the index also, so we will just return the index. We will just return the index, and we will not use this breakpoint. Okay, and if it is not equal, then what we will do, we'll just say, if target and what I'm typing, target is greater than nums at I minus 1. Okay, and target is less than nums at I. Okay, so what we are basically doing in this point, we are just finding the index. We are just saying that whether this element is greater than or equal, because we know that this 2 is greater than 1, but it is smaller than 3. Okay, we will just say that return I, because this is our position. Okay, and now we have to add some of the boundary cases. Okay, because we know that in competitive programming boundary cases are more important. So what we will do, that we will just check if nums at 0, okay, first index place is greater than or equal to target. Okay, we are saying that our element is present at our first point. We will just return 0. Okay, and after that we will just check if now if last element is double equal to the what you can say element target, double equal to target, then we will just say that our last index is the element, is the index. Okay, nums dot length minus 1. Okay, this is the thing. And one more thing, okay, if last element is smaller than target, if nums at nums dot length minus 1 is less than target, then we will say that just return nums dot length. What this will do that, because the last element is smaller than index target, so it means that let's say that we have to insert 7, so 7 will be at the last point, so we are just giving them it the index, because the length will be increased, so index last index minus 1 plus 1, so minus plus just cuts off, you will get this answer. So let me just run it. And then what was this? Search index place. Okay, so we got a nums is not found. What was the answer? Num. Okay, insert yes. Okay. Okay, so we didn't get any of the answer. Okay, so we have, okay, we are just consoling it out, and we have to print the answer also. So we'll just say that console dot log I. Okay, you got our answer as 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, but this is not the best case, because it is asking us in order of n time. So what you can do, you can use a concept of binary search. You can just find it out. Okay, so I have shown you a method in which you can do it. So I hope you like it, and if you don't get the answer, yeah, and if you're not able to solve this in order of n log n, then definitely get back to me and I will solve your solution. Okay, that's all today. Thank you.